So this is for homeowners. This is for standby and portables. This is for all generators in terms of the concept. And what I'm talking about is when you try and start your generator that has an electric start, a starter, a battery, and you press the key and you go click, and all you hear is either like click or just click. You turn the key and it's just click or nothing, right? Let's say you have a screen, and when you turn the key, it dims down or it like shuts off and then comes back on. Your battery is dead. There are two different sorts of voltages. There's the resting voltage, and then you've got the cranking voltage. And a lot of batteries that are over 3 years or even under 3, even if a year or two old, if they're not maintained properly with a battery tender trickle charger, you might put your leads on there, your meter, and test it, and it'll show you 12.5. And so you're like, okay, we're good. And you hook it up to your car or your generator, and you go and start it, and nothing happens. And you're like, I just put this battery in, I had it on a charger, whatever. I checked it, it said 12.5. What people fail to do is, well, all right, let's measure the voltage while it's trying to crank. What happens? It'll drop all the way down to 8 volts. Boom, battery's not holding a charge correctly. That's your issue. So keep that in mind also. I've seen people where they're like, I've got a charged battery and it clicks. Now, I'm not saying a battery is the only thing that's going to cause it to only do a click. Your starter could be broken and, the solenoid's not working, whatever. But especially if the gen is new, I haven't had many starters fail. That's what I'm trying to get at. Not many starters fail. It's always been out of like 20 gens. I'm talking 19 of them are, if it doesn't start, the battery is dead. And let me just get this straight with you. If you have a electric start generator and you do not have a trickle charger on your battery, then 100% that is what it is, even if it's within a year. If you do not put a trickle charger on your battery, it probably won't last you over a year. It might even last less. It might even last less if you forget to turn the key in from the run position to the off position. That will drain it even faster. Why? Because when you turn the key from the off to the middle position, called the run position, that is energizing the fuel solenoid. And so if you somehow leave it in that position after you're done using the generator, let's just say you turn it off and then somehow hit it, or you turned it off by running the fuel valve shut and letting it run itself out instead of having to turn the key to the off position, you're going to run that battery out real quick. Keep that in mind. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Subscribe if you haven't. Share my videos with any other homeowners that might find this helpful. And give us a call if you have any issues. We will help you out for free over the phone. We will try our best. And we will set up an appointment if you're in our area. So thank you, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.